दोस्तों आज हम लोग लेके आए हैं बीए सेमेस्टर 1 एग्जामिनेशन का फिजिकल एजुकेशन। इसमें जो हमारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं शॉर्ट में 9 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और 5 मार्क्स से होते हैं। इसे कम करना कंपलसरी होता है। इसमें आता है पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज पतंजलि योग सूत्र, एक्सप्लेन इन ब्रीफ, इन विच वी हैव टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल द सूत्रास दैट वाज प्रेजेंट इन योग। देन write definition of the physical education, explain in brief its importance in the modern society. Question number C, explain the meaning and objectives of health education. And D, explain in brief the relationship of the physical education to education. And then C, what is meant by the term posture, what are the benefits of good posture. F, what are the infectious disease, explain by giving example, what are the ways to avoid them. Then G number, what is the role of the sexual difference in teaching physical education and how it contributes to efficient training in the field. And then next it's given what are the Olympic Games, give a brief account of it. And I, what are the factors that affect the physical fitness, explain. In section B, long answer type question. First one is explain the importance of wellness in our lifestyle. What is the role of physical activity in maintaining healthy lifestyle? Or describe the history of physical education after independence. Or you can apply the short notes on Maharishi Patanjali, Grahan Sahinta, and or you can explain the aims and objectives of physical education. And in section C, long answer in which only you have to do one. What do you mean by the balanced diet? Explain in the detailed elements of it. Or you can do the what are the causes of the bad posture? Explain remedies of bad posture. Or you can write the what are the communicable and non-communicable disease? Explain in detail with examples. Or you can also write the short notes. Only two you have to do about WHO. It is very easy, and you can write the Red Cross, and or you can write about the UNICEF. Thank you.